Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set a webhook inside WishList member. So WishList member is a popular WordPress plugin. It is designed to create and manage membership sites. It allows website owners to protect their content by offering different kind of levels of membership to different users. Okay. Now here I'm going to show you step by step that how we can set up a connection between WishList member and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a specific event happens inside WishList member, then automatically we can send the data towards any other application with the help of Webhook. So Webhook acts as a bridge for setting up connections between different applications and for transferring the data from one application towards another on the happening of a specific event. Okay, so here we are going to learn how we can set a Webhook inside WishList member. But before that, before moving forward, you can see on my screen there are two windows, trigger and action. So what are trigger and action? So basically trigger and actions are the main concept, or we can say these are the building blocks of this automation, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards the word trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Let's suppose here our trigger is WishList member, as we are going to set up a connection. Okay, and we want that whenever a new member is added to a particular level inside WishList member, then automatically the details of that member should be added in Google Sheets. So here we are going to take Google Sheets in our action step. Now here we can clearly see that action is following what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the member is added to a level in WishList member, then only the details are added in Google Sheets, otherwise no. So after understanding this concept, let's start setting up the connection between WishList member and Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook. We'll move towards the trigger step, and here our trigger application will be WishList member. Now we have to select the trigger event. So trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. So member added to level will be our trigger event over here, as I want that whenever a new member will be added in my WishList member account to a particular level, then I want to receive the response of that member with all the details. Now as we have done that, we can see that a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. So we have to follow the instructions given over here carefully, step by step, to set up this connection, for which the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data from WishList member towards Pabbly Connect whenever a member will be added to a level. Okay, so we'll simply copy the webhook URL, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. So first of all, we have to log into our WordPress account. As I told you that WishList member is plugin of WordPress, so we have to come towards our WordPress site. Here under dashboard, we will find the option of WishList member. I have already installed the plugin. Now when we'll select that, here we can see the option of setup. So let's select setup. Now after coming on setup, here we have to go towards integrations. Now we have to go towards other services. So here we can see the option of webhooks. Let's select webhook over here, and we have to go towards outgoing. And these are all the levels I have in my WishList member account. So whichever level you want to select, that means whichever level you want that when the member will be added to that level, then the response should be capture. You have to select that level over here. Let's suppose I want that whenever a member will be added to the silver level, I want to receive the response. So I'm going to go towards the silver level. I will go towards this pen icon. And here I will simply add the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Once again, I'm going to copy that, and here I'm going to simply paste that. Okay, done. Let's click on save and close. And here we can see that a tick is arised in front of silver level. Now we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect. Here we can see that it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By adding a member into the silver level which we have selected. Okay, so I'm going to go towards the member section under setups. And here these are all the members I have in my WishList member account. Now to add a new member, I'm going to click on this plus icon, and here I'm going to enter the details of a member. As soon as I will enter them, then automatically a member will be added. Okay, so let's start with a name. And because I'm doing a test submission just to capture the response in Pabbly Connect, therefore I'm going to use all the dummy details over here. So let's say the name of the member is new member. The email is, let's say, newmember@pabblytunes.com, just a random email. Now we have to select the membership level. So because I want that whenever silver level will be added to the member, then I want to receive the response. Here I've selected my level, silver level. Now we have to provide a username to this member. Let's say the username is new member 56. Okay, this is the username, and I'm going to generate the password for this new member. So the password is generated. Now if you want to send email notification to the members, you can also select that. Here I'm going to select do not send email notification, and we will simply click on add member. As we have done that, you can see that new member is added to silver level. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. We will see that whether we have received a response, and yes, here we have received the response. In this response, we have received all the details. This is login credential, that means the username of the member which we have given. You can see this is the same new underscore member 56. Here we have the status of this member, that is active, the level in which the member is added, that is silver level. Here's the level ID, okay, along with all other details of this member. Here's the first name and last name of member. Here's the ID of this member, and this is the email address, newmember@pabblytubes.com. You can see that this is the same email which we have entered while creating this member. Okay, this means that our connection is absolutely successful. So now whenever we are going to receive a new member in wishlist into a particular level, then automatically the response of that member will be captured over here with all the details in Pabbly Connect. In this way, you can set up webhook inside wishlist member, and once you will do this connection, automatically the data will be captured. So you can also transfer the data automatically to any other application as well by creating this automation and by adding the action steps according to your requirements. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.